My Thanksgiving picnic is all set. Now I just need to let everybody know. Hey guys, come eat! They'll probably be here shortly. What happened to my Thanksgiving dinner? What happened to my Thanksgiving dinner? Oh, I'm gonna find out what happened to my Thanksgiving dinner. Alright guys, listen up. Someone has stolen my Thanksgiving dinner, and I'm gonna find out who. So, I want you to know where you guys were when my dinner got stolen. I was just helping you cook, remember?
Apple fast, apple fast, apple fast. I don't know what you want from me. I haven't stolen anything.
I know there's a 90% chance that I haven't stolen it, so ask someone else.
I may know where your dinner is.
Wait, it was you?
Of course it wasn't me, but I think I know who did. So, let me give you a little flashback. So one wonderful Thanksgiving morning, I was just wandering and minding my own business, when suddenly I saw you and your picnic. Wow, Shark Puppet must have really put some time and effort into his dinner. Until I looked away for 1 second, and then I turned back. It was gone. But I saw one last peculiar thing in the corner of my eye. I didn't know what it was, but it surely stole your dinner. But yeah, that's all I know. I didn't steal anything, promise.
If it wasn't you, then who did? Hey, I have an idea. I think we need to find this culprit. This calls for a montage. Was it you? No. What about you? Did you steal it?
No.
Wasn't me. Was it you? Was it you? Doopity-doo.
Of course it wasn't me. Nope, haven't seen a thing.
It surely wasn't me.
Wasn't us either.
Guys, I have some bad news. We don't know who stole it. Well, I have an idea. What's your idea? With my sonar, we can find out who exactly stole your dinner. Well, it's as good as an idea as any, so let's do this. Sonar, find who stole Shark Puppet's dinner. Okay. Oh, you don't say. Oh my god! Ooh. Shark Puppet, I found out who stole it! So who was it? The main culprit is the Thanksgiving turkey. Oh, so that's who it was. So once we find this turkey, we're gonna make him dinner. Splentastic. Now, the question is, where is he?
Ugh, this is so frustrating.
Guys, guess what?
Did you find out who it was?
Yes, we found out who it was. Now, get ready for Thanksgiving turkey.
Apple fast, apple fast.
Yeah, Yoda's right. How do we find the Thanksgiving turkey? Oh, shoot, I actually don't know. Maybe he's... Bagok! There he is! Get him! Bagok!
Yeah!
Yeah, I'm not gonna get involved in this.
Get back here! You can't run away from me. I'm a spider. Wait, I'm sorry. Apple fast. Apple fast. Huh? Apple fast. Hey! Apple fast. Apple fast. Apple fast. Apple fast.
Bagok! You forgetting about someone? Bagok! No!
Hey, let me go. Apple.
Now, two options. Either you give me my Thanksgiving dinner back, or I'm just gonna have to make you dinner. I just wanted to have one Thanksgiving by myself, but I guess I'm gonna have to make you dinner now, huh? Oh man, that was so funny, guys. Yeah, I know, right?
Apple fast.
I mean, I guess you could say that he got cooked. Happy Thanksgiving, guys. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.